So I just purchased my exercise bicycle. It actually arrived about 30 minutes ago. I just took it out of the box. I wanted to lay everything out here and show you what it looks like before I put it together. Then after I put it together, I'm gonna let you know how long it took, and then we're gonna go over all the features of it. I've got it all put together. It took right around 30 to 40 minutes, and honestly, it was pretty easy. I didn't even really have to even use the instructions. It was just pretty straightforward. One thing I want to bring up, I think it's really important, is that this is your monitor here that monitors time, distance, heart rate, things like that. Before you mount it on to this bracket that's right here, go ahead and flip it over and take off the bottom, and that's where you're going to go ahead and install your batteries. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and then you can go ahead and get it mounted. Other than that, it's pretty simple. I do like that it's got a nice cushiony seat, so when I'm sitting on there, I feel comfortable. You can see here, this is actually adjustable. We've got a knob right here, so we've got 6 settings to go ahead and adjust this. This handles anywhere from a person that's 4'8" all the way up to 6'5" and up to 300 pounds. Of course, up here at the front on our handlebars, I like that we've got these sensors here. That way it's going to go ahead and record our heart rate. And then with this right here, when you start pedaling, it's going to turn on, or you can press the button right here to turn it on. You can put it on scan, so it can go from velocity to distance to calories. The only negative that I have about this, it's in kilometers. It's not in miles per hour, which I'd prefer, and I didn't see honestly any way to change that. So just make note of that. It's just kilometers. But to me, it's not a big deal. When I ride on this, I like to ride for a certain amount of time, not so much distance. And of course, right up here, we can go ahead and put a phone, tablet, any type of smart device. It also comes with a little cup holder. Put your cup here or hang anything off the front you want to. And you do want to install this before you install this right here. So that's the only mistake I made, is I didn't put that on first. Also, the handlebars, these are also adjustable too through this little knob. It does have 4 height settings, and you can see here on the side, it is labeled 1 through 4. And on the pedals, we've got straps. I like that. So if you're pedaling really fast, you can adjust these straps. You can see there's several holes here. There's actually holes on this side and the other side. That way you can adjust it to your feet, and that way your feet are going to stay in there nice and secure. Now we do have a wide base here at the back. That way this is going to stay on there nice and steady. It's not going to rock. So when I am pedaling right here, it doesn't rock. I've got a good firm foundation. It's nice and steady. Also on these handlebars, this is kind of a rubber or foam. So it is comfortable on my hands, because I tend to like to ride like this. And then when I want to take my heart rate, I'll go ahead and put them on the sensors for a little bit. Then it's super easy to move too. We do have a couple little wheels on the front, so this makes it easy to move. And then also, this is of course all steel frame. When you want to adjust the tension on the wheel to make it harder, we're just going to turn it clockwise for plus, or the opposite to go ahead and kind of release some of that tension. Real simple to put together, simple to operate too. Overall, I'm real happy with it, and I love that I can be able to do some cardio right here in my home. Hope you found this review helpful.